Have you ever seen one of these big corporations with their cool brand intros? Like Netflix or Amazon, or literally the list goes on forever. But how do you, as a small influencer or a small business owner, how can you also make your brand and that logo so captivating? Well, luckily with Filmora's newest update, you can do it completely free and it looks just as awesome. So let me show you how. So to create a captivating logo or a logo intro is actually pretty simple. So let's go to Filmora and I'll show you exactly how. So as you guys can see here, I'm open in Filmora. So what you want to do is, once you're here at your media, you can simply go down and find Influence Kit. You want to press on that. So once you're here, you can see that there is a brand logo reveal. As I just talked about, like in a Netflix or Amazon or whatever, you can reveal your logo. So simply press start creating. And now once you're here, it will show you a bunch of templates that you can use. So this one reveals the logo, as you guys can see, from the left to the right hand side. There's a bunch of them you can select from. So as you guys can see, there is a bunch of them that you can select from or choose from. Simply just download it and it will be right there for you to use. So let's just go with the first one that reveals it like this. Then once you have your design, you can say start creating. Now here you can put in the image that you want and also the text that you want. So let's do let's say for example tech HQ, subscribe, and then here at the top you can say add your logo. So we can just go add. And now we're simply going to do, so let's just add a logo. And there you have it. As you guys can see there, it is so simple to do. So now you have your photo and your text. You can obviously change anything you want, but there you simply have it. Now you have a logo reveal that is very simple to do. Now obviously you can press on the logo, make it larger or smaller or whatever you would like to do, but that is the basic of it to reveal your logo. Now simply what you say finish, and now that would be added as a new timeline clip, as you guys can see there. Now if you're not happy with it, you can just always simply press edit and it will take you back to this page where you can edit anything from it. So I think that is a very cool feature to add if you want to do your logo simple and fast, and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know how to create a very fast and very simple logo reveal effect in Filmora. Now, I think this is a pretty cool feature that Filmora has added, because now, as you guys can see, if you want to create a cool business intro or YouTube intro, you can just use that and it's completely done within like 5 seconds. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, a sub to the channel would be awesome. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.